Ngubala?
You was slick, bro. Slick. Slick got swagger.
Yes, sir. Areece or Nasty C?
Ah, dog. Hey, dog. Areece.
Why Areece?
Cause the boy's doing things, man. The GOAT. He's got the whole city on lock with whichever city he goes to. The boy's doing things, like I said. Nah, man, he's for the culture, bro. He's what's keeping SA hip hop going right now. Like he inspires the new wave. So shout out to Areece, bro.
Hey, honorable member, you are out of order.
So we are to Opamis hip hop in South Africa.
Oh yeah, namfethu manje like ake kumjito ombonayo manje vese sebenza hard as Areece right now.
Yiphi ingoma mfethu na Areece ohamba nayo kakhulu ubonayo uthi yona le njengamanje enza ukuthi iSouth Africa ikhuphukele phezulu because it's wena uyena onyusa iSouth Africa.
His recent project he just dropped. What project he dropped recently?
What
project he dropped recently? Bro, next question, bro.
Wait.
That's a good question, dog. Like zininga coding ngoma ze Areece fethu into MP blind. He one time, fethu. And the only reason I'm saying he one time, ngoba that beat, I actually made a song to that beat too.
We don't care, my man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, let me play the song. Independent. One time for the niggas.
Siyaxoxa lapha singabanumzana udlula iwindi udlala ingoma yamasimba.
Zobhemba la, khona line engawazi. Zobhemba kodwa.
Do you know Ndu Browns?
Yeah, shout out, I know Ndu Browns. I know.
That's my brother.
For real?
Yeah, my biological brother.
Hey, stop capping. Black Diamond. Ndu Browns.
What are you saying?
I'm kidding, dog.
This nigga does kind of look like you though. He's fire. Shout out to Ndu Brown. Shout out to Black Diamond.
Delete one artist like South Africa.
Hey, Lucas Raps. I delete Lucas Raps, bro. You had your chance. It's gone now, bro. Vi now, bro. Vi. Okay, manch. Okay, Lucas Raps, dog. Where are you, my nigga, dog? Come on, dog.
Babukeli bethu bawathumelele ama video abo ephawula ngalolu daba.
Bafu. Vuka bafu.